Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. For today's cake, we're going to be making a fun two-tiered watercolor style cake with green gel food color. Some people don't really like the look of green on a cake. I think on a subconscious level it has like an ick factor, but I promise it can actually work and turn out pretty cool. So I've got my buttercream here that I've covered a 6-inch cake with. I've gone white buttercream 2/3 of the way down, and then my moss colored green buttercream that I tinted with gel food color down at the base. I've gone in little strokes with a medium tone in the middle, and I'm just blending it through as I smooth it down. The more times you go around your cake with your smoother, the more blended those colors will become. If you want to create a little more diversity, more streaks in there, you can maybe not go around as many times, and that'll create a more rustic kind of look for you instead. Trim off that top lip at the top of the cake by bringing it towards the center, or you could go against it with the blade and just cut it off. Into the freezer she goes for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll work with the bottom tier the exact same way, only this time we're reversing the position of the colors. So I have my white at the base and my darker color at the top instead. That way when we assemble the whole cake together, you'll have white, then dark, and then back fading out to white again. To make it super neat on the outside, I've taken my metal scraper. I ran it under some hot water and then slowly scrape down the sides to create a super smooth finish. This will also get rid of any of those pesky little air bubbles as well. From here you could add in your bubble tea straws cut flush with the top of the cake. I add about 3 when I'm working with a not so heavy top tier, or you could do 4 as well if it's going to be a little bit taller. Always best to have a little bit more support than not enough. I press them down all the way to the cake, give them a little bit of a wriggle, and then lift them back up, and I'll know where to cut with that to make sure that it's cut flush at the top of the cake. Press them back in, and then stick the 2 cakes together with a little bit more of that frosting. Our 6-inch top tier has been sitting in the freezer for that 10 to 15 minutes, so you can handle it with your hands without any problem. And for decoration, I've taken edible gold leaf and I'm gently massaging it onto the surface of the cake. Because it has been sitting in the fridge, this little massage movement will not dent your buttercream, so very important to have it chilled first. You could follow it through in that diagonal pattern all the way up. I just reset on the 6-inch so it could be seen from the front. I've added a white chocolate ganache strip on both tiers, but only about a third way around the cake. At the top I added the green, and at the base I added the white for extra contrast. In go any decorations that you have. These are just fake flowers that I've used here, and you can wrap floral tape around the stem so that it does not come in contact with the cake. For the decorations that need to be stuck on, I've used a 1M piping tip and some more of that green buttercream. I've added on macarons, edible gold dust covered Maltesers, and Ferrero Rochers as well. I feel like the packaging on the gold of the outside of the Ferreros really helps tie everything together and really brings out the gold leaf too. But feel free to go nuts decorating with whatever colors you like here. I just felt like I really wanted maximum 3 tones in this cake. And that's it. Your fun watercolor style cake is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so we can see your awesome creations as well. Feel free to subscribe for more video tutorials, and it will catch you again in the next one.